Hi, I am Madhyalagan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, DrSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today topic is role of the digital evidence under the topic of introduction to digital forensics. So digital evidence play a critical role of a modern investigations, so particularly in the criminal and civil cases. It's referred to any informations or data stored or transmitted in a digital form that can be used of the court. So first one is the criminal investigations. So cybercrime. Digital evidence is the central is the cybercrimes like hacking, identity theft and online fraud. This include emails and internet history, social media activities and log from servers or devices. So forensics analysis. So investigators use tools to recover the data from a device such as the smartphone, computer and server to establish the timelines and motivations or connections to the crimes. So tracking illegal activities. So GPS data, so IPS address, digital log help to track movement or communication aspect, often linking them to the criminal activities. Civil litigations. So corporate disputes. So in business conflict and digital evidence like emails, financial record and internal document can help prove the miscount or basis of contract. So next one is the employment cases. So digital evidence such as the work emails or company's logs can prove harassment and discriminations or wrongful terminations claims. So next one, third, family and domestic cases. In discover or custody battle, digital evidence like messages, emails and social media activities can be used to access the behavior or fitness or parties involved. So fourth one is the terrorism and national security. So surveillance and intelligence. So digital evidence help trace extreme activities, prevent attacks and apprehend individuals involved in the terrorist activities. It is the mainly used for the terrorist activities, and it is the custody of digital evidence like any email message attacks and emails and the social media activities can be used by the access of the behavior. So this is the criminal cases of the we have used and analyzed. So next was terrorism. Terrorism, it is the national security. So it is the any surveillance or any on the encrypted communications, and social media is the wrong messages or unwanted messages sharing and online purchase for can be provided. It is the mostly terrorist activities and it is the any illegal activities for the movement. This is the very based on used. It is the family and domestic cases. So fifth one is the authentication and the integrity. So digital evidence must authenticate it to ensure it is the accurate, untempered and admissible. This is the achieved by the maintaining a chain of custody and using the forensics tools to verify the integrity of the data. It is the authentication and integrity. So e-discovery. So in the civil litigations, digital evidence forms part of the discovery process. So where the parties and required to the disclose electronic records, documents, emails and a database. This is the particularly we have a large corporate or financial cases. This is the use of the authentication integrity and e-discovery. This is the process. Seventh one is the preservation and the challenges. So one of the challenges in the handling digital evidence is the data volatility. So electronic data can be easily altered or deleted. So preservation through the forensic techniques is essential. So legal framework like federal rules of the evidence in the US provide a guideline for the administrable and handling the digital evidences. So privacy and ethical considerations. The collection of the digital evidence, especially in the personal devices, must be balanced as privacy right of the authentication access. Surveillance is to be the used. So privacy and ethical consideration, they have multiple. It is the used. This type of is the challenging of a forensics. Thank you.